Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. Let's look at today's top health highlights. Do not prescribe Pholcodine-Containing cough syrup, DCGI tells doctors. In line with the safety alert published by the WHO on the prior use of Pholcodine-Containing cough and cold remedies and the risk of perioperative anaphylactic reactions to neuromuscular blocking agents, the subject expert committee functional under the CDSCO recommended doctors to stop prescribing Pholcodine-containing cough and cold remedies and suggest patients an alternative to treat their symptoms. This came after the WHO alerted about a safety concern that has been identified with Pholcodine-containing cough and cold remedies. According to the advisory, doctors and healthcare professionals should advise patients to stop taking Pholcodine-containing cough and cold remedies and should suggest an alternative. Furthermore, it states to verify whether the patients scheduled to take general anesthetics containing neuromuscular blocking agents have taken Pholcodine-containing cough and cold remedies in previous 12 months and also be aware of anaphylactic reactions in such patients. That's all from today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.